Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily hide and open the sidebar in the Deepseek app. Whether you want more screen space or need to access your settings or other features quickly, this trick is super handy. Let's get started. First, make sure you have Deepseek app open on your phone. You should be on the main screen of the app where all your content is visible. To open the sidebar, here it is located on the top left corner, the two horizontal lines. Simply tap on it. It's the button that lets you access your app's menu. Once you tap that, the sidebar should slide right in from the side, giving you quick access to all your settings, your preferences, or any additional features in the app. Now, if you want to hide the sidebar to get more screen space or focus on your content, all you need to do is tap anywhere outside the sidebar, just like this. Or simply tap on the icon right here. This will collapse the sidebar and you'll have your full screen back. It's really that easy. Just couple of taps and you can toggle the sidebar whenever you need it. I hope this tip was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.